Why we don't sneeze when we sleep. Ever wondered why sneezes vanish at bedtime? While you slumber, the body's reflexes, including sneezing, take a break too. The brainstem, responsible for managing these actions, also sleeps, preventing sneezes. When you're awake, irritants in the nasal passages can trigger a sneeze instantly. However, during sleep, these signals are dampened, allowing for uninterrupted rest. This natural reflex suppression ensures that you stay undisturbed throughout the night. Your body prioritizes rest, keeping pesky sneezes at bay while you dream. Sneezing-free slumbers help you recharge. Ready to dive deeper into fascinating sleep science? Subscribe to our channel for more insightful content and unlock the mysteries of your nightly rest.